What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a long time, but we're going to talk about a lot of updates that are happening with this car. First big one we're going to talk about is the engine being replaced. Completely under warranty, 2 weeks before my warranty ended. So, lucky me. We also have the side skirts and front lip completely set in PPF now. Going to show photos of that in a second. New exhaust component. We changed out the mid pipe for something a little louder, and I'm telling you, it sounds amazing now. We're gonna have to do a new video with new sound clips for that. We got carbon mirror caps on there, also set in PPF right now, which looks super sick. But yeah, let's go over everything right now, and we'll start off with the engine. So I got word that the engine and transmission was out of my car, so I was like, you know what, let me run down to the dealership and check it out. So shout out to them for letting me always come back to the shop and see what's going on. So you can see here, engine transmission still connected together. In the next clip that I'm going to be showing, it's going to be actually looking at the engine torn down. Super crazy.
Little spiders.
Oh yeah.
It's cracked because it got
insanely
hot.
Oh, okay.
Just like this edge. See the nice finished edge on this one?
Yeah.
And then look at that one. And you can see all the little bits of, that's all melted piston repair.
Holy crap. So if you guys were ever wondering what the cost was to completely replace your engine and get one overnighted from Japan, it is $29,767. But enough with that bad news, let's get to all the cool stuff. Alright, so here you can see I purchased a new titanium mid-pipe from GT House. Unfortunately, when putting the mid-pipe on, it did not fit. I spoke to another LC owner who had a titanium pipe and he had the same problem as well. So here you can see we're just trying to line up the exhaust. Nothing's actually bolted in, but for some reason the flange on the passenger side header would not line up the holes at all.
So you can see this pipe is coming in more towards the center, so it's not coming straight back like this one is.
So in the end, me and GT House came to an agreement and they just sent me a stainless steel version. I returned a titanium version, and this is what the car now sounds like. Alright, so looking at some test pieces here. Satin PPF on it versus the clear coating, and you can see the details so much better on the satin side. Almost looks like 3D holographic versus the carbon side. The gloss side. The details are kind of hidden. Take a look at these next to each other. And then same with the side skirts. This is a satin side skirt versus a clear side skirt. This is Expel Stealth going on this. Yeah, look at that. That's the shot right there. Versus the gloss. I just really like the depth that you get from the satin PPF here. This is going to be super cool to install on the car. Then we still need to do the front lip, which is going to get the satin on it, and then also my engine cover, going to get the satin on it. So please excuse the dust. These parts were sitting around for a little bit while my car was down getting this engine replaced, but I really like how deep the carbon looks with the Expel Stealth on it. It just, I don't know, it gives it so much more detail, I feel like, on everything. I also think that it's gonna look super cool against how vibrant the structural blue is when the sunlight's popping out. So it'll be really interesting to see how that all looks together. We will be getting all of these parts put on the car within the week, so there'll be another video for that. We're gonna road trip out to California and get it all installed. Here's the front lip. The front lip and the side skirts we decided to do in all satin PPF double layered, and we did that just for the protection. Also for the front lip, we did it in sections so that if I was to scrape one part of it, we could just rip the PPF off and put a new part on really quick and easy. Also, now looking at the side skirts, look at that bend. You can really see how large those carbon weaves are. So I'm super happy with the work, and I can't wait to get this installed on the car. And then I'm not sure if I touched base on this already, can't remember, but I did get 2 carbon parts for the interior. This is matte hybrid blue, this is the gear knob shifter, and then I also have the matte hybrid blue paddle shifters that I'm going to be putting on the car as well. So whenever I get the steering wheel put on, I'll put the paddle shifters on. So if you wanted to do a performance mod for your car but also keep it under OEM Lexus parts, this is what you want. This is the rear differential with the higher gear ratio from a LC 500 hybrid. This also still has a limited slip differential, so you're not losing anything, you're just getting shorter gearing and you're getting more torque throughout the entire RPMs. So I'm super excited to test this mod out. We're just waiting on a few more parts that I just ordered before we do the install, so I'll do a whole separate video on that and comparing what it's like with the stock diff and with this diff. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.